Okay, hello, this is 4th grade worksheet lesson 32. And in this time, we're gonna start off with the find the quotient. And quotient means to divide. Okay, so since it says to show work, let's just show our work. Okay, for number 1, you're dividing 192 by 24. And then 24 is called the divisors because you're dividing a number by 24. So if we divide 192 by 24, I feel like 8 is gonna work out. And the reason why it's not gonna be a 10, like more than 10, like your answer is gonna be bigger than 10, is because 24 cannot divide 19. So you can't write anything above on the tens place. So you have to write a number on the ones place, and the ones place cannot be bigger than 10. So if I try 8, and luckily I get 192 if you multiply it correctly. So the remainder is going to be 0, so that your answer is going to be 8. Okay, let's try number 6. 774 divided by 86. 774 divided by 86. So again, this is not going to be bigger than 10 because 86 cannot divide 77. But I know that 86 and 77 is kind of close number because it's only like 9 difference? 9? So I'm gonna try 9 and then see over if it is work out or not. So 9 times 6 is 54, and 9 times 8 is 72, and if you add 5 you get 77. And luckily you get the same thing again, so your answer is gonna be 9. Okay, let's try number 12. 638 divided by 58. So again, 58 is pretty close to 63 because it's only 5 difference. But the thing is that 58 can divide 63, and then it goes in once. So it'll be 58. You subtract and you get 58. Since 58 and 58 is the same, it's 1 again. 58, you subtract 58 and then you get 0 as your remainder. So your answer is gonna be 11. Okay. Okay, this is basically the same thing, except that it's not gonna be a 2-digit divisor always. So we'll come back if we have some time, but right now let's just move on to the next section. Okay, this one is the mixed review. You have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But let's try one on multiplication. Let's try number 1. 1,695 plus 5,432. Okay, sorry for my handwriting. Okay, if we add, remember we're adding right to left. So we're adding 5 and 2, which is 7. 9 and 3, which is going to be 12. And 1 plus 6 plus 4 is 11. And 1 plus 1 plus 5 is 7. So it'll be 7,127. Okay, let's try number 5. So 4,295 and 4,199. So you know that 4,295 is 4,000 plus 295. 4,000 plus 295. And you're subtracting, and 4,199 is 4,000 plus 199. So basically this 4,000 cancels out and you only have 295 minus 199, which then if you subtract, you should get 99. Okay, let's try number 11. So 615 divided by 5. 5 goes into 6 once. You subtract, you left it 1, you bring down 1. 5 goes into 11 2. So 10, subtract again, bring down 5. And 5 goes to 15 3 times. So this will be 123 or 123. Okay, let's do some word problems. Number 1. There are 242 people signed up for a class on making kites. Each group will have 12 people. About how many groups will be formed? So 242 people, and then each group will have 12 people. So let's first divide 242 by 12 to figure out how many groups are there. So we can clearly see that this will be 20, and then you're left with 2. And this 2 represents the 2 people that are left. So your answer is not going to be 20, rather it'll be 21. The reason why is because you cannot have so even if you cannot have a groups of 2, still that two leftover people have to like form a team or a group, so you have to add 1 more. Okay, let's try number 2. Mr. Kim's class is making a kite. Each student needs 36 inches of string. If there are 10 students in the class, how many feet of string will they use? So first of all, so since there is 10 students, we have to multiply 36 by 10. So if you multiply 36 by 10, it will be 360. And then 1 foot, or 1 ft, is equal to 12 inches, or 12 in. So if we divide 360 and 12, you should get 30. So it'll be 30 feet. Okay. Number 3, students were given 4 hours to complete their kites. How many minutes is this? So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 4 hours is equal to 240 minutes. Okay, number 4. The pitch fields of Mets gave away about this much ball cups in November. How many cups did they give away each day? So 12,000, and then each one, and then November. So let's just make November 30 days. So if we divide 12,000 and 30, you should get 400. So it'll be 400 baseball caps a day.